Okay, so I need you relax your hip. Don't hold it too tight. But when the teacher sees that things, it's very hard to understand. How can I relax my hip, make my leg relax and can rotate easily? So this here is two birds shoot by one stone. Okay, so look, the only thing, don't need to think about relax your hip. Okay, just think about use your toes, reach as far as you can to do a round, big circle on the floor. Okay, the moment you stretch your toes far away, the moment your hip will relax. Because it got more space away from your hip, your leg can rotate easily. Okay, so you will satisfy what I asking you for. And also good stuff, you make your leg longer, you make a circle on the floor bigger. See, two birds shoot one stone. That you got them out. Yeah, so I think you should to think about it. Always use your toes. If you use too much the big leg and hip, you see, like automatically tight. Your leg looks short. The circle will be look small. Why? Right? Think about that.